you have got one life, I think, and this is all about wandering and living. It's not like that saving and increasing zero in your bank balance, because if you want something else, some experiences, the experience comes from wandering, you know. So first of all, I want to say to all the viewers here, if you want to have a great experience of life yourself, first wander all around the world, because it's all about you and who can just visit here, there, wherever you want to go. So I wish you all the best for your future, and just
tonight we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been
live a great life. Don't wait for others that somebody will love you or give you respect. Make some great living so that you can just overcast in the world. Spend money for your everything, whatever you love to do. The crowd, you can see how many people are excited to watch the Taj Mahal. Just have to pay 250 rupees to get into Taj Mahal. You guys have a look. Aftab sir is warning Taj Mahal. It's really a great time, and I'm feeling so glad to be with Aftab sir. I'm sweating, guys, because you have to step up a long distance. You have to cover up to get to Taj Mahal. First place, so here I have desi samosa. You can get it nearby Taj Mahal. And here is the man who just bought the samosa for me. It's really to get to Taj Mahal, first you guys, you have to cover up your shoes from this, because it is one of the religious place, so you have to cover up your shoes first of all. Guys, we are here finally in the campus nearby Taj Mahal. This is the campus. Here you can look the crowd. It's really great crowd.
I've been flying from town to town.
You can see all the security. You have to face past the checkpoint. Then you can only pass the gate. Security will check your whole body, and then they will allow you to enter inside the. I am in Taj Mahal campus. I really love it. Look at the pictures gallery over there. As you'll find the whole Taj Mahal city in black and white. You can just see the picture nearby. So
Step by step, the clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
Damn beauty. Guys can imagine that it's really damn beauty. You can watch the Yamuna view river and the air is just blowing. It's really fantabulous, and I can see you guys. You can just watch here. The glimpse of river is just great. It's really beautiful. Guys, just once in your life you come to Taj Mahal and just look at the beauty of the world, look at the beauty of India, especially here in Agra. So you can just have a lot of fun over here. And the beauty of the Taj Mahal is just unbelievable, guys. I have no words to express the beauty, the people, the smile, the happiness over here is just really rejoiceful.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Yeah, we are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.